Hi viewers, thank you so much for watching the video. Today I will show you how can install Avro software. Avro is a one kind of Bengali software. By this software you can type any kinds of letter or fonts. It is very easy to write Bengali, to translate the Bengali into English or English into Bengali. So first you download this software from Google. Just click, open your browser, and then search here Avro, Avro software. Okay, here is the you can and the option is here, and you can download here. But I have downloaded this software, so I don't want this software a download again. Just I want to install and this software. Then go to the open your downloaded software. Where is the software is located? First click here and go to the here, then go to the software, and the software is located here. Search here is the software Avro. This is the Avro software. Then click here. Yes, next. I i accept the license agreement. Next, click on next. Install. It is a very easy to install this software. Okay, the software is installed here. Thank you so much for watching the video. You can see here is the Avro keyboard, and Avro software is installed. Just click here. Here is the Avro software icon is available. You can write in English to Bengali and Bengali to English. Just English to Bengali, click here, and Bengali to English, click here. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If the video is helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell button for new updates, and stay with us for more videos which solve your daily life small problems which it is created by you. Thank you so much.